Very good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. A very happy morning to everyone and wish you all a happy, profitable day ahead. Today, let us see once again how to use our MST ICO 2.0 advanced trading system price action based indicator. So, I will show you on few scripts. So, in this video, I will concentrate only on Bank Nifty. Previous day I had not posted any video, so I will cover the previous day also. So come here and go to reset settings. So by default I will show you. Then since we are trading in Bank Nifty, come here to time frame and keep in 360. This is the only change we have to do. Okay. I'm showing for 18th February because I have not posted video on 18th February. So come to settings, and if you want me to explain the strategy once again, you want to know our strategy. What is our strategy? If buy activated, we have to be in buy trend. If sell activated, we have to be in sell trend unless the SL hit. So here I'm showing for 18th. Right. First what happened? Sell only got activated. See the high was 37,613 and our entry was 37,604. Okay, exactly our buy activated, sell activated. So now come to this positions, indicator settings and enable sell entry, sell SL. Okay, then enable second buy targets. Enough. Why am I asking to enable second buy target? Suppose we don't know market where it will go, right? We should be ready. If it is not giving the target and hitting our stop loss, then we have to go for the reversal entry. So that is compulsory. So in second candle itself, we got the sell entry. Immediately, almost all the three targets have been achieved. Almost, right? The 37,358 is the third target and the low made was 37,367. So just 10 points we missed for the third target. But even if you are expecting only the first target, our first target is hit here itself in the same candle, first candle, second candle, we got the targets. Once again it went near to our sell entry, again almost three targets have been hit. Again it went, again almost first target hit, then SL hit, then second buy activated, first target done. Okay, so we are calculating only for the first target. If we are getting daily only the first target, that is enough. So this is in case of previous day. Now let us see for the today. What happened today? Today is 21 to 2022. Once again I will go back here and make to default settings. Now I will keep 360 because I am trading in Bank Nifty. Right. Now you have to tell me what has happened in the market. Okay. I don't know what happened. You have to tell me. So now see market open here. It has to reach either here first or either here first. Now what had happened? Exactly market have opened in between the line and it has touched our first buy entry. If buy entry is activated, then what you have to do? Go here. You can keep in 1 minute also, no issue, right? Any time frame you can keep. There will be no changes in our entry. There will be no changes in our entry. It will be a perfect entry. So for understanding, I'm keeping in 1 minute time frame. Okay, see here. I'm keeping 1 minute. What is the low? The low is 160 here. Here it is 156 and our entry 159. So exactly our buy entry got activated. So come here and enable first buy targets, first buy SL and remove all others. For reversal entry targets, you can enable second sell and second sell targets. Second sell and second sell targets. See here. So at 9:39 our buy entry got activated. At 9:39 buy entry activated and 9:41 our target hit. Just 2 minutes. Just in span of 2 minutes our trade got over in Bank Nifty and we have got the profit. And after the first target your stop loss will be moved to cost to cost. Then we will be waiting for the second target. After the second target, our stop loss will be moved to first target. Then we'll be waiting for the third target. So since all the three targets are booked, we will be out of the market. Is it clear? Again, if you want to trade, it has come down, it has taken the support from here, then it went up. Again came down, it has taken support. So now it has become the two support. Now it has reversed back. Now it has formed the W pattern. If you know the price action, W pattern has formed. Once this high is broken, that is the black line is broken, you can go for the buy entry. That's all. So yesterday, how many points we have got? So this I have kept in small targets. So if you want to know the big targets, that also we have the option, right? Where is the option? I show you. So yesterday we have got very huge profit, but you need patience to book all the profit, right? I cannot say that everyone can book the profit like this. So either you can add the targets or you can increase the target. Come here, I have kept in some tiny targets. You can keep in normal targets. See here, the risk is very small, but the target is very big. Clear? So exactly once the buy has been activated from here and it went to first target, second target and third target, and as at the third target it has been resisted, then it came down, again it went back, again it is resisted, now it has formed the double top and it is forming the M pattern. Again we have got the superb targets here. So how we can identify that this position in advance, whether it will give profit, whether it will be reversal or not, for that also we have the option in our indicator. So come here and just keep it in default settings. See here the monthly position. This is our monthly reversal point. This is our monthly reversal point. So we know well in advance that market has to struggle here and it has to reverse from here. Exactly it has reversed and our target hit. 1 second it reversed, then our target hit. Okay. So if buy activated, there is no sell. Immediate, we should not avoid the sell. We should take the sell only at the further level. That is our monthly sell zone. Similarly, if sell activated first, there is no buy immediately. We have to buy only at the further buy zone, monthly buy zone. See here. So in the second bottom, we have given the buy zone. Suppose say buy sell activated here initially and target given. Immediately don't go for the buy. Wait, let the market go down further. So when it coming down here, you can go for the buy entry. Similarly, here buy activated, then immediately don't sell here, right? Let the market go further. When it going to monthly level, from there you can sell. So this is the uh, our secret of success in this market. And we are asking you to keep in 360 for the first entry. Okay, so that's all. There is nothing difficulty in our indicator to understand. It is very simple. So same thing has happened in the Nifty features also. See here, Nifty features, what happened? I will keep in 360. Why it is not working? 360, right? See the low. You will be amazed, right? Because no indicator says in advance that we have to buy here, we have to sell here. All the indicator will show you when the market is in uptrend, it will show you buy. When the market is downtrend, it will show you sell. No indicator will tell you when the market is coming down, buy here. When the market is going up, sell here. But our indicator will say. See the low, what is the low of this candle? At 9:39, same here also. 37,174 was the low. 1 minute, I will just expand this once again. 37,174 was the low, where it is mentioned. I show you here. So come here and see in the low portion. I will keep the cursor on this. I think you could see here. I will remove this. See the low 37,174. And what is our sell buy entry? See here. What is our buy entry? 37,181. So buy activated. Again it went down to 7 points down. So immediately what you have to do, since buy activated, we should avoid sell that day immediately. Right? So further level you can go, that is monthly sell zone you can take, but don't take immediate sell entry. So hope it is clear. See the perfection. Immediately first target hit, second target hit, third target hit. Again there is a restriction, came down. Again it went up and met our target, came down. Again it went there, then it has broken there. So now it went up to our monthly sell entry. It went up to our monthly sell entry. See here, see the perfection here. Then it has come down. See here, see the perfection. So that's all. So this is how we have to trade. So both Bank Nifty spot as well as the features, we have got the very good profit. So let me show you how much profit we have got. So from 37,165, 181, right? 37,181 minus, what is the high? 38,059. 38,059. So I will keep the monthly sell zone target, okay, 38,041, not at the high made. Because we know only 38,041 is the range. It will go up to that level. We don't know whether it will go to 38,059. So 38,059 minus 37,181. So we have got 878 points profit. So if you have taken only the 4 lot, okay, if you have taken only 4 lot, then your profit will be 87,800 rupees profit. Okay, again from sell, so 38,041 we got the sell entry, and the low made was, what is the low? 37,567. 37,567. So again we have got 474 points. If you have taken just 4 lots, then it becomes 47,400 rupees. So total, if we add 878 plus 474, that is 1,352 points, we have got the profit. So this is not an ongoing call. This is the advanced given call. You know in advance that market, if it is trending, it will go to this level. Even if it is trending, it has to reverse from there. So 1350 into 100, if you have taken 4 lot, that becomes 1,35,200 rupees profit just in single script. Just in single script. Okay. But I'm not sure that everyone will get this profit. Why? Because you need patience. You have to wait. You have to keep revising your stop loss. Then only you can achieve this big profit. Okay. It is not for everyone. But as per indicator, it has given this profit. Now let me come to copper. See what happened in the copper. Exactly buy activated here and see how many targets it has given. Almost two targets have given. So let me consider only one target from 761 to 762.70. 761 minus 762.70. Market has gone above this level, but I am not considering, only up to the target I am considering. So 1.7 points we have got the profit into 2500 rupees. That is 4,250 rupees profit we have got. How many point profit? 4,250. I'm not saying 4 lot here. Okay, 4 lot in copper it is not possible. But in Bank Nifty it is very well possible. So 4,250 in copper. Let me show you in crude oil, our favorite script. Come here, see the perfection. So here buy activated. How I am saying buy activated? We know if market is not coming down exactly to our buy entry, we can keep 3 points buffer. So in the previous candle itself, the low made was 6674. Then next one was 6670 and our entry was 6669. That is 1 point we missed the entry. Immediately in the next candle, whatever is the open value, we have to take. So 6684 is the open and next candle low was 6676. Even if you have taken at 84, then our targets have been achieved. Once again, if you have not taken the sell entry, again here also sell activated, target hit. So now we have to consider the buy has been activated. So now come here, enable first to buy targets, first to buy SL, second buy and second sell targets. Why second sell targets? If SL hit, we have to go for the reversal entry. Don't forget. Every day you will not get the profit immediately. Okay. And there is another strategy also in this core indicator. If buy activated, only be in buy till end of the day. Till end of the day with the same SL. Once buy first target achieved, keep the stop loss to first target and be in buy trend till end of the day. If second target achieved, then keep the stop loss to first target and wait till end of the day. Similarly, if third target also achieved, keep your stop loss to second target and wait till end of the day. If fourth target is achieved, keep your stop loss to third target and wait till end of the day. So this is the another strategy. So you can book huge profit whenever market is having more movement. But don't forget to revise the stop loss. So in tiny SL, tiny target, all the targets have been achieved. So let me change to small. That also all the target achieved. Let me change to normal. That also all the targets achieved. Right. Let me change to big targets. In big target also all the targets have been achieved. So I have given one more option, big two targets. Okay. So these are to identify the levels, further levels. So big two target, this is the maximum. It will not breach the level. So in big two targets have been achieved and it has breached the second target. So possibly within this week we can expect the 7012 range. 7012 range. See, our SL is very small, but the targets are very big. So here how many points we have got the profit? I told you the second candle open was 6684. So I will consider that 6684 minus the last target here we have mentioned is 6895. So that alone I will consider. I will not consider 6912, 6895. So now how many points we have got? 6895 minus 6684. So 211 points we have got the profit. Here also I won't say 4 lot. Okay, most of the Telegram group members they will say for 4 lot profit, 10 lot, 100 lot, 1000 lot they will say. So for crude oil 1 lot, 100 rupees only we can take per point, which means 211 rupees, 21,100 rupees profit in crude oil. Same thing had happened in everything: gold, silver, natural gas, nickel and all. So nickel also I show you if you want me to show, but I'm not trading in everything. We are trading only in Bank Nifty and crude oil. So come here and just keep in default settings. See here what happened, only sell got activated. Okay, so we have to remove the buy. We have to remove the buy. Why removing buy? Because buy is not activated. See here, buy range is here. This is our entry. Buy is not activated. Sell only got activated. So come here, enable first sell and second buy targets. And remove the second sell and remove everything. That's all. So here we see our SL was safe. See here. First sell activated, immediately two targets perfectly hit. Then only SL got hit. Then only SL got hit. Now what people usually will do, when the market is going to this sell entry, they will have a doubt whether market will reverse or not, because market is going very powerfully up. Okay, it has a very good strength and it is going up. They have a doubt whether market will reverse or not. So they will miss this trade. Then they will enter in the second trade. Okay, using the same indicator. Then they will face the loss. See, you should trust your system. You should trust your system. If you don't trust your system, then you are cheating your life. Whatever is. So if you are going to a doctor saying that you have headache or fever, if he is giving any tablet for fever or headache, you should take the tablet. Don't doubt the doctor. Don't doubt the tablet. If you are doubting, then don't go to the doctor. You take medicine yourself. Once after having trusted a person that he is for that, then you have to believe them, you have to trust them blindly. So now whoever has trusted in the beginning itself, they are in the profit. Whoever has not trusted in the beginning itself, they have taken decision later, they are in the loss. Okay. And what is our basic strategy? If buy activated, no sell. If sell activated, no buy until the SL of that entry is hit without giving the target. So this is the condition. Don't forget. So as per our indicator, our trading got over in first target itself. So second, what we'll be doing, our SL is moved on to first cost to cost and waiting for the second target. Since second target also achieved, now our SL is moved on to first target. So two lot we have already booked. We have in hand only one lot. So now the market reversed and hit our stop loss. Okay, this is not the loss. This is the profit. How it is profit? We have taken, suppose assume three lot we have taken. One lot we booked at the first target and second lot we have booked at the second target. Now 3 minus 2 1, we have in hand one lot. That one lot only hit in the first target SL, not even in the cost to cost. So now if we say how many profit you have got from entry, one from entry 1871.1 minus the first target was 1813. 1871, sorry, 1817. 1817.1 minus 1813. So 4.1 points you have got in the first entry. That is for one lot. Okay, I will make a note here. 4.1 for the first lot. Then second lot from same point, right? 1817.1 minus 1808. 1808.9. So 8.2 points you have got in the second lot. And third lot from same 4.1 point, because we have revised the stop loss to cost first target, right? So that is the third lot. So now how many points you have got? See here, 4.1 into 2, 8.2 plus 8.2. 16.4 points you have got profit into 1500 rupees. 16.4 equal to 24,600 rupees profit in nickel. So again I'm saying this is not possible for everyone. This is possible for the people who have discipline, who are ready to follow the system, who are ready to get the consistent profit. It is not for anyone who comes one day, who trades in nickel, the next day he goes to natural gas, the next day he goes to silver, next day he goes to gold. So that way it will not work in this market. You should be trading in the selected script always. Whether it is giving profit or not, loss, don't worry, keep trading. At the month end, you will be getting the profit. So now if you calculate everything in nickel, we have got this profit 24,600. In copper, we have got 4,250. And in crude oil, how much profit we have got? Where I mentioned 21,100. In Bank Nifty, how much profit you have got? 1,35,200. So total profit you have got 1,85,150 rupees profit. This is possible? Yes, 100% it is possible. But you should follow the system. Okay. Thank you all for having watched our videos. If you have any doubts, please contact our team. Our team will help you. And we are giving this indicator at lifetime validity with lifetime support, and lifetime updates are free. Okay. Lifetime updates are free, not the features. Features are different from the update. We are giving updates are free. Also, if you want to join our MST Advanced Price Action Trading course, you can join. And Advanced Option Trading course also we are conducting on every Friday night and Saturday and Sunday. You can contact us for the further details. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all happy, profitable day. If you are not subscribed to our indicator and YouTube channel, please subscribe and also join our Telegram group for the free update. Bye bye. Good morning, traders. I have forgotten to show you the performance of the Nifty. So Nifty also most of the people are trading. So I will show you in Nifty. So see here, exactly buy has been activated and all the targets have been achieved. So now since buy has been activated, what you have to do, come to this indicator settings and enable first buy targets and first buy SL. Okay. So now remove everything and just see what has happened. So exactly all the targets have been achieved from first entry to first buy targets. So this one I have to enable. So after achieving the three targets in the tiny targets, it has went up, it has gone up, it has given all the targets further. So I will change it to small targets. So in small target also, all the targets have been achieved. So how many profits you have, how many points profit you have got from 17,076 minus 17,308. So again, I'm not considering the high made. I'm considering only up to the target. Okay, 17,308 minus 17,076. So this is per point, it is 50 rupees. So I will take 2 lot into 100. So 23,200 rupees profit we have got in the Nifty alone. So that's all. So this is the way we have to trade. Thank you all. If you're not subscribed to our indicator and YouTube channel, please subscribe and you will get all the support from our channel. And we are not SEBI registered. It is for the educational purpose.